Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Ecosport automatic. First, familiarize yourself with the gear selector. P is for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, D for drive, and L for low gear. Before starting, adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for optimal comfort and visibility. Always remember to fasten your seatbelt securely before you begin your journey. Once you're ready to drive, press the brake pedal and shift the gear selector into D for drive. Release the parking brake if it's engaged. Gently press the accelerator pedal to move forward, increasing pressure for more speed. To slow down or stop, smoothly apply pressure to the brake pedal. Practice these actions in a safe, open area to build confidence. When reversing, shift into R and always check your surroundings using mirrors and the rearview camera. For parking, take your time and use the camera and sensors to guide you into the space. Remember to maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles on the road, allowing for ample reaction time. Always be aware of your surroundings for a safe driving experience. For optimal performance and safety, regularly check your tire pressure and ensure it matches the recommended levels. Adhere to your Ford Ecosport service schedule to keep it running smoothly for years to come. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for keeping your space tidy. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.